Good morning students, class 5th, second lecture, large number. In this topic, today first we will discuss the large number having digits 6 minimum. So, large number first, if we discuss which is the smallest one digit number, then we write always 0, and the greatest one digit number is 9. Similarly, the smallest two digit number is 10, and the greatest two digit number is 99. Similarly, the smallest three digit number is 100, and the greatest three digit number is 999. Similarly, the smallest four digit number is 1000, and the greatest four digit number is 9999. So this is smallest one digit, this is greatest one digit. Smallest two digit number 10, greatest two digit number is 99. Smallest three digit number is 100, greatest three digit number is 999. Similarly, the smallest four digit number is 1000, and the greatest four digit is 9999. Now, the smallest five digit number is 10,000, and the greatest five digit number is this. Now, slowly, if the number of digits are increasing, then how we will read out this number? So, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So, smallest five digit number is 10,000, and the greatest five digit number is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 99,999. Similarly, the smallest six digit number. So, to find the next digit, if we add plus 1 to 99,999, then we will get 1 lakh, and if we count the total number of digits in 1 lakh, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, the smallest six digit number is 1 5 times 0. So we will count as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. So this is 1 lakh. The smallest six digit number is 1 lakh. Now, the greatest six digit number, the greatest six digit number is 9999 and 9. So you can count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. So 9,99,999 is the greatest six digit number. In words, how we will write? 9 lakh 99,999 99. So the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. If we add one more to 9,99,999, then what we will get? 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1, again 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 10, 9 plus 1, 10, so 0 and 9 plus 1, 10, it will be again 10. So after 1, if there are 5 0, then it will be 1 lakh, and if there are 6 0, then how we will read out this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So the smallest 7-digit number, the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. And if we have to find the greatest 10-digit number, then the greatest 7-digit number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. This is the greatest 7-digit number. So how we will read out this number? So again count from right hand side: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh and then 10 lakh. So 99 lakh 99,999. So 7-digit smallest number is 10 lakh and the 7-digit greatest number is 99. 99 lakh 99,999 and if we add plus 1 or 1 more to 99 lakh 99,999, then we will get 70 after 1. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. So the smallest 8-digit number is, how we will read out this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So if we put 70 after 1, then this number will contain 8 digit and it will be known as smallest 8-digit number, and it will be equals to 1 crore. That is 1 crore. So how many digit in the crores? The crores start from 1 crore, that is the smallest 8-digit number, and it containing 7 zeros. If 50 then 1 lakh, 60 then 10 lakh and 70 then 1 crore. After 1, if it is 50 including will, it contains 6 digits, so 6 digit smallest number 1 lakh, then 7 digit smallest, that is 10 lakh, and then 8 digit smallest is 1 crore. And if we have to write the greatest 8-digit number, then it will contain 8 type time nines, so 9999999999. So how we will read out this number again? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So this is the 8-digit greatest number, and we will write in what? 9 crore. 9 crore 99 lakh 99 lakh 99,000 999. So this was about the large number. We start with 6 digits. So 6 digit smallest number is 1 lakh, then 7 digit smallest is 10 lakh, then 8 digit smallest is 1 crore, then 6 digit greatest is 9 lakh 99,999, 7 digit greatest is 99 lakh 99,999, and the 8 digit greatest is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So this was the about large number. Now next topic is, please pause the video and note down. Now the next topic is reading and writing a number containing 8 digit. मीन्स अगर किसी संख्या में कुल अंकों की संख्या 8 है, ऐसी स्थिति में उस नंबर को हम कैसे रीड करेंगे और कैसे उसको वर्ड फॉर्म में राइट करेंगे. सो इन इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड, लेट अस सपोज दिस इज वंस, then this is tens, then this will be 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, then the next number will be crore. So if we count from right hand side, how many digit it contain? So this is first number digit, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, and then 8. So we learned that the smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore and the greatest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So let us take example. Let us suppose if we put 0 at once, tens at also 0, 100 at also 0, 1000 is also 0, 10,000 place is also 0, lakh place is also 0, and 10 lakh place is also 0, and the at crore is 1. Then it will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So it will be equals to 1 crore. So if any number which containing total number of digit equal to 8, then it will in crores. Let us suppose if we have to write the 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, then in this way we will write 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So this is the greatest 8-digit number. Now if we have to write 5 crore 59 lakh 46,564, then we will write in this way. So how we will read this number? So start from right hand side, first ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, and then crore. So this number will be 5 crore 59 lakh 46,564. In this way we can write so many large number, that is in crores. Let us suppose one more example. If we have to write 7 crore 69 lakh 54,346, then how we will write? Count from right hand side, that is ones, tens, 100, put comma, then 1000, 10,000, put comma, then lakh, 10 lakh, and put comma. So it will be in standard form 7 lakh 69 7 crore 69 lakh 54,346. So it was about the reading and writing a number containing 8 digit. Please pause the video and note down. Now the exercise self exercise second A, page number 15. Question number first. Write the numeral for each of the following number. Some numbers are written in word form and we have to write in numeral. So first is 62 lakh 7,009. So if we have to write some numbers in numeral, then first of all we will make the Indian place value chart, and the chart in compact form is you can write ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, and then crore. In this way you can write. Now the question number first, A is in word form given 62 lakh. 62 lakh. So we will start from 10 lakh. This is 10 lakh, 10,000 lakh, and then 10 lakh. So 62 lakh. So we will write 62 lakh, 62 lakh. So we will write 62 lakh, then 7,000. So 7,000 and 9 means we will put here at 100 and tens place 0, and we will write here 9. Now you can count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and then 10 lakh, and then crore. So 62 lakh, 7,009. So this is the first number. Then 3 crore, that is 3 crore, 1 lakh. 1 lakh means this we will put 0 and 1 lakh, 75,000. So this is 75,000, 20. 20 means in this way. So this is your question number second. Then third question, C, 19 crore, 19 crore. So 19 crore means we will write this way, 19 crore, 64 lakh, 64 lakh, 64 lakh, 7,000. This is the 7,000, 7,100. So we will write 100. So always you have to learn this place value chart first. Ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, then 10,000, then lakh, and then 10 lakh. So this will be 62 lakh, 7,000, 9. This is your 3 crore, 1 lakh, 75,000, 20. This one is 19 crore, 64 lakh, 7,100. The next one is D1 is your 39 crore. 39 means this is 39 crore, 25 lakh. This is 25 lakh, 25 lakh, 59,000. 59 means this 59,000, 618. So this will be 59,618. Now again you can count ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. So this is 39 crore, 25 lakh, 59,618. Last E, 8 crore. 8 crore means 8 crore, 88,000. 88,000 means we will put here 0. 88,000 again 0. So 8 crore, 88,000. Then last F1 is 27 crore. So 27 means it will be 2 digit, 27 crore, 217. 200. So at the place of 100 to 117. So remaining places will be 0, 0, 0. Now you can count ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, and 10 crore. So 27 crore, 217. This is the your question number first. Now next question number second. some numerals are given and we have to write in words form. So first we will learn the Indian place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. So 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So question number second, see first part, A is given, 318 first, then 20,000, then 57 lakh, and this is 5 crore. So you can count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it will be 5 crore 57 7 lakh 20,000 318. So in this way we can write a given number in word form. The next question B is 605 0060. Now you have to count from right hand side. This is ones, tens, then 100, 1000, then 10,000, 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, and then crore. So it will be 6 crore 5 lakh 60. This is the question number B. Then C is again given 58, 00, 26007. So again count in the place value chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 58 crore 26,000 26,007. Then next one is D, 83 0022 049. Again count in Indian place value chart. This is ones, this is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 83 crore 22,000 49. So this was question number second. In numeral it was given and we have to write in words form. From question number 3 you will see in next video. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.